It's time to build Ghana. It's time to build systems that works. And it's time to build our life as individuals. So with this message, I want to welcome every Ghanaian from South Africa. Welcome back home. Akwaba. And at the same time, His Excellency President Mahama Nyaminshirao, Honorable Minister Foreign Affairs Nyaminshirao, Ghanaians Edamase, Ejumedi Amudi, Muntoko Swaye. Yes, so your responsibility ni say ye bede, ye be jene naso. But it's time to build Ghana as Ghanaians. We are all responsible for the growth of Ghana, but somebody must be accountable. And so. And until then, yes, and it's the first time I would share SOS YouTube channel. Yeah, me mwakwaba subscribe my is here. Ne like video no. Ne share my ebusuafo a aka. Ne name message just 5 minutes message, but me pese wo tin maybe ase. Sa problem here wo hu I see was South Africa no e bi esida wo. In the 1980s mo Ghana and Nigerian for if we see this the same problem. Emma omuba no anu kwa de nemu ahwe okra sen we. Ebi mu te hwe because no mugu car so na na de omuba. Okra de wo tipre mu. Ye de nyame ase say amana basa. But what I want to challenge you and what I remember you say in the 90s mo no 80s mo omo ba fie no. Ebi mu de be ya adwentwene awreho. Ebi mu betena omo dame fam. Ebi mu expect say nka obi na beboa omo. Emma anyi omo yi. Enu ntimi pese enne. This thing now we say it's a setback, enye ni wo way the point of starting your life. Emma wo real ho. Emma ne nye wo se wo nie wu because ya bo, ye more. Nobody knows the way of God. Enunti me pese wo say the same mindset na wo di kwatena South Africa na wo hazel adwuma bi a de wo musabeka bi na wo ye na wo je the little na na omutua oka no. That same mindset on fashion safe from Ghana. And men relax say Ghana's president promise so be there obeboa amogina na so. Start before say presidential help on beba. Presidential aid ekura beba. Start the hustle as if say uye stranger in Ghana. So pejuma ya comment was here. SOS, yeah, you can find something for you to do. But what I want to challenge you is say the president of Ghana and as a Ghanaians can be responsible. So once we imagine one also. But remember, who is accountable for the successful of your life is you. You are accountable. I'm responsible. Mr. President Mahama is responsible, but you are accountable. So life no anti me and koya, you are accountable. So today, any day, bibi bia da wakoma so bia me to me nsa fro say subscribe to your YouTube channel no. My into na mamam, we are building systems here betimi avoid action. Enya reho, enya niwo. Se woto fomu a, enche se wo so da ho. Eye mre wo so ye de wo sorry. Na wo sorry so a wo hwe se wo nye de unto fom bio. Anase bibia utia na auto ho no. Untia wo bio. Arise. Let us build the systems by design, by intentionally, and it will never be the same. It's not too late. It's not too late. The time is now. Nyame adom a Ochenyampa Friday, 29th May. Ye share SOS Entrepreneur Hub. Near the Ghana time 8:30. Ye shall see from there. And you will be happy. Bye-bye.